Hi everyone, here we are doing an unboxing of several products that I had ordered from Lightorati. Yes, it includes flashlights. I'm making this video so as to give you a view on how the seller Lightorati packs their products before shipping and how they reach. The box is all intact, if you see, no damage whatsoever. And you have got options to choose from while you are ordering there: Blue Dart, Government Post, and other delivery courier operators. So one of the product from my list that I had ordered was MT20A NiteCore. This is a 360 lumen kind of a thrower torch. There have been several versions from last 7 to 8 years now, and this one is the latest with XPG2 CREE LED. The second product was a pouch. This is a NiteCore pouch that you can clip onto your belt, or you can hook on to your belt clips, and it will stay at your waist height. It has got several one zip pocket and few latches where you can put things. So that's open, so I have left it there. One other product, the third product, is XML-T6 Torch. This was from UltraFire, also being sold by Lightorati. So this is just the unboxing, friends, and later on I'll be preparing the utility videos of these so that you can have a glimpse on how well they perform, these products, and basically these two torches. Yeah, I can do the unboxing of the entire unboxing of this product, just not leaving it with the box. So these specs or the features are available on the website with very good manuals and number of pictures also. The utility MT stands for multitasking. Okay, so this is the multitasking series for this torch. One of the very affordable and multifunctional torch that will be proving worthy of the utility requirements that I get into. So what you get is a holster. This again, it's very strong, it's really very strong, rugged, you can say. Yeah, on the inside it's some HDPE or some hard material. Then this can go into your belt, and this has got velcro also, so easily you can make it to use however you want it to hold the torch. Let's pull out the torch, and this is very small form factor, guys. It looks so NiteCore MT20A, and you can put it like this or the other way. You also get this is the warranty card and the user manual. Not much of fuss in unboxing that product. The other parts that you get, or kind of accessories for the torch, are, I think it's a lanyard, 2 rings you've got, okay, 2 rings, and a clip, so you can put it at the base here like this. It's very snug, it's very snug, believe me, and this will go deep in your pocket, so it won't, there's no chance that it will just fall off from your pocket while you are trekking or running. So yeah, that is it guys. The performance of these products I'll test later on, as I am yet to charge the batteries for these. That's it for today. Thank you.